In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a connection to a Google spreadsheet. This feature does require an extra license in your PerfectForms system. Please contact the sales office for more details. To start, you will need to have your PerfectForms account open and on the Connections dashboard. From the New drop-down, select Google Spreadsheet. Enter the email address associated with the Google Sheets account and press the Get Token button. If you are not already signed in, you will be prompted to do so. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm that you wish to allow access to the Google account. Three tokens will be displayed. Individually copy and paste these into the boxes available in the PerfectForms connection screen. With the three tokens now pasted into the correct boxes, click the Load Token button. You should now be able to select the file and sheet from the spreadsheets available in the Google Sheets account. Give the connection a suitable name so it is easily recognizable by form designers in your system. Click the Apply Changes button to save your changes. Now you can define your actions in a similar way to other database connections using the Select, Insert, Update and Delete actions. These are covered in other tutorial videos. There are a few things specific to the Google Spreadsheet connection that you should be aware of. The first row in the worksheet will be treated as the header row. If the contents of the header row in the worksheet is modified, the corresponding action might become broken. The column names are case sensitive, lowercase, with all non-alphanumeric characters removed. The data exposed to the action contains all rows up to the first blank row, so do make sure that the worksheet doesn't contain any blank rows in between populated ones.